DIT and Fancy Cat Show.
Yeah, seriousness vibes done. This is about laughter and fun. No malice or meanness, just joke we run. Notice, put down or offense is intended. Light heart and open mind highly recommended. Hashtag laughing time.
Taxi, one more. Taxi, one more. Come. I'm painting today. Everton, I want you.
Gas guy, gas.
Gas?
Yeah, that's a kill me, man.
Woo! You can't go to the gas station, man.
Everything you take for joking, guy, man. I tell you, say, man, I'm gas.
Yeah, that's why I'm telling you to go to the gas station because I have some soap. So can bus gas, you know. Yeah, man.
Okay.
Yeah, man, can go buy it too, man.
Okay, what's
Buy it too. No, man, me pay for it, man. And also, I have some chicken soap and red paste with the pigtail. Which one you want?
No. You know I'm going to drink pigtail already, so. We're a chicken.
Chicken, alright then. Where you want, large or small? Don't know where you want, man. Take it easy. Everton, what this? I got a phone call. Put myself on. You want this, yeah? Babes. Yes, babes. No, I'm a good babes, man. No, I'm not hungry, man. I just go buy two soap for me at Everton. No, babes, man. I'm saying, but I want a food, babes. I'm going to buy two soap for you. Good, man. I'll see you later. A lie. You know me carry me every Friday, man. Babes. Well, no, man, I make me stick to my stand. Me and Everton just work. We just work the base. We don't go to my rate. All right, babes. Yeah, man. Later, love it. All right, babes.
One out the road.
Everton.
Yes, sir.
How my soap?
The two of them are never mind.
Me walk go buy the soup then. You say you're sick and me walk go buy the soup. You say you're pay. Me say no, me pay for it, me pay for it. You say you not drink pigtail. You drink chicken. Yeah, so me get chicken soup. Me ask if you want large or small. You say large, me buy the large for you. Me got the large for you and get the small. And get the two of them because you drink the two soup. And you say me a bridging, me a work. And me a bridging. And you say me a bridging Everton. And me a run the car every day.
Pigtail it in there.
Can you help me with this car? So I help you get this to the car. Can you hold on to it? Miss, you can give me a quick hand, please. Let's try to reach my car, please. Just can you say, you can me? Can you hold this for me, please? Yeah, alright, you got this. Hold it, alright? Alright, hold on. Alright, let it go. Hold the car first. Let's hold it. Yeah, let's hold it. Hold it. Please. You let it go, you don't wait till. Yeah, you let it go. You let it go. Are your mother? No, but you let it go. Yeah, me let it go a while ago. You didn't have it in your hand. Bridging that mash up and knowing a man. She's on peace, man. You mean no mash? You don't have the job, Bridging. My you, man. Hear that?
Wait, what are you doing, sir?
Put it mash up. Cheese and peas, my friend. So what we are going to do now?
Look at it.
But it mash up. You know, hear it a shake. Miss, I said, just come.
You, and then you said to me, all this.
But
I've been very nice to you.
here, bro, you hear a shot when it drop. No, you hear a shot when it drop.
I'm not the person who dropped it.
So who are going to pay for this?
In a mash up.
No, man, that must mash because of the drop.
Who listen to that drop?
Who are going to pay for it? I don't want to know.
It's you, let it go,
Here,
sir.
here's some broke. Cheese and piece of me, I go be a no, man.
Let it go.
Let it go.
You see when she let it go, I'll go, because I didn't have it, I'm gearing now, and she just drop it, she'll go.
You
No,
drop
no,
it,
you
you
can't
should
tell me
wait
that
till
me
it
drop it, man. Yeah, I have to about my neck, man, jeez, and peace. That's for this only thing in a right, so me carry, look at me carry. Right, so me carry in a region. You could have just hold it for me, you know? But are you just drop it out after me gears and you just let it go, John? So like how much I'm now, who are going to pay for it?
Sir, take time and come here. You ask me for help and I'm helping.
But my friend, Max, if I help, I'm just lift up and move to the car now, simply, you know?
Sir, calm
You know how, you know?
Sir, calm yourself down. You asked me to help you
My
here
friend,
and
how
I'm
much for calm? You know how much for this? Enough money for this, you know? Are you want me to get it all again, you know? Watch it. We are going to put it on the car, so we're going to pay for it. So she will go, oh, see this, I go buy a party and just left me, so. So me, I don't know if I go pay for this also. But Regina, drop it thing, my youth. But what you going to tell me? When you going to tell my wife, I don't want to know. Eh? Which truth? So you drop it thing, and then what happen? After you drop it, then what? Who going to pay for this? But who going to pay for it? I can't me alone drop it. Regina, see what I go on, though?
Oh, you drop it, man, drop it. Pay for one of me, help you.
I can't believe this man.
Are you drop it? It's you
You drop it, you see
let
that?
it go. You never put it in my
I can't believe it. You, Reggie, you, I mean drop it. Look,
drop
tell him. I mean drop
drop
it.
it.
You never see what I go on.
The man, don't put it in my hand like this.
So good.
You guys are doing me.
Come here, man. Come here, movie star. Come here.
What's that pay for?
That's your concern. Me not touch it.
Tell him what that pay for. Tell the camera what that pay for.
And the IT and fancy can show. And the IT and fancy
Oh my God.
All right, thanks for watching. This is IT.
And that's the hotel fancy can.
You want to see more? Where you go?
No, do that because I realize I'm going to watch the video, but I don't see no much comment.
Yes.
So no need for comment.
Yes.
And share some more.
And subscribe. Tell a friend to subscribe.
Yeah. You
All
see
right.
me?
Thanks for watching IT.
Fancy can.